So today we got ourselves a 5.7 liter GM engine, all in its prime and glory. Now, I already took the heads off because the customer dropped it off and said, "Hey, I need head gaskets tossed on there, and I need you to check out what's wrong with the lower end," because he said it was making a lot of noise. It came out of his farm truck. I can't remember what kind of truck he said, but it came out of his farm truck. So I've already taken the heads off. I already got them sent off to get them machined. So as soon as those come back, but we're gonna now dig in to the oil pan, and we're gonna take a look and see what's going on down there. Here we go. Not much more normal black oil, but there ain't no crap down in there. Look at that bearing. Oh my God, what was he doing? This is the other half of it. Oh, it is munched. Munched. Damn skippy. Look at this scarring on the inside. It cracked it all the way through. You got some light in there. Let me see. Yeah. Look at the light. The light can travel. Oh my goodness. Woo. Yeah, when we say we send it, that's what I'm talking about. Send it. Alright, well, we need a set of rod bearings. But I don't know. I don't know if that crank is going to be any good. Whew, let's take a look at that. Another one. If we're going to do rod bearings, we want to do all of them, not just one or two. And this one doesn't look too bad either, so well, let's take a look at this one. Oh no. Oh no. Ugh. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at all that scarring in there. Oh, that doesn't really show any scarring. Maybe that will help a little bit better. Ugh. Yeah, we're gonna do a set of bearings for it. We'll do a set of rod bearings. Also, I'll probably put another gasket there. Yeah, we need to. I mean, it doesn't look too darn bad. That's pretty hard. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at that crank. I mean, it's a farm truck, so I don't know. I mean, if he wants to just use it for a farm truck, we can do that, but we'll be throwing a set of bearings in there. And then we'll see. I do have another engine that I have to do. It is on its way. I believe it's out of a Honda Accord. I think it's the 24K series engine. I love those engines because you can boost those engines. You can throw a turbo on those suckers and they'll run. But they got to be built right. So that one's going to be coming in. So I got to go through it because he says it doesn't when it turns over, he hears a bang. That's what he told me. I'm assuming this is what I'm thinking he did to it. He tried to boost it without building the bottom end. So I think what he did is he snapped the crank in half. That's what it sounds like, and that's what we're going to be looking into the moment I get it here. So the new bearings came in, which are right here, and I took one out, and yeah, the crankshaft is about toast. The most I can possibly do is maybe go up another 10 thousandths instead of from the standard, and we'll go up another 10 thousandths and see if they'll work. But I think that crankshaft on this guy is done skis. I put in one for that right there. Yeah, it didn't work. So looks like we're going to be looking for a crank, or get this one reground, something. But for the moment, I'm gonna let him know what's going on. But I'm pretty sure he's not gonna want to be spending any more money on this thing. So this might be done for the duration of these videos for this one. But I'm still waiting for that Honda motor. It has not shown up yet. So as soon as it shows up, we'll get that video going. But until then, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell. Thank you to our sponsors, Motor by Motor. And do remember, we are now the authorized dealer for Finish Line products. So if you need anything, let us know. We'll get you a discount on some prices, okay? Peace, and keep hot rodding, man. Hey guys, it's Jason, or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, I believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk. Yeah.